Problem number 2. The diameter of a spherical planet is 6 times 10 raised to the 4th power. So we're asked to find the radius of the planet. So radius is equal to half of the diameter. So that's gonna be 1/2 of your 6 times 10 raised to 4. That gives us 3 times 10 raised to the 4th power. Okay, for letter B, the volume of the planet can be expressed in this format, where A is between 1 and 10, and K is element of Z. Find the value of A and the value of K. First, we should know that the volume of a sphere has the formula 4/3 pi r cubed. So, substituting for that, 4/3 pi, our r is 3 times 10 to the 4th power raised to 3. So if you're going to expand this, we'll have 4/3 pi, 3 times 10 raised to 4, 3 times 10 raised to 4. Oh, 4 is outside. Let's put it as a power of 10. Times 3 times 10 to the 4th power. So these are all multiplication. It's the same as 4/3 pi, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, times 10 to the 4th, 10 to the 4th, 10 to the 4th is 10 to the 12th power. Remember, we have to have this format. So we can do cancellation here for same factors for 4/3 and 27. Dividing this by 3, 1. Dividing this by 3, you'll have 9. So we will have 36 pi times 10 to the 4th power. To the 12th power, rather. So 10 to the 12th power. This could be written as pi 36 times 10 to the 12th power. But we have to write this in this format. So it's the same as pi. If we divide this by 10, 3.6 times 10 to the, so this to be equal to this one, if we divide this by 10, we must multiply the other side by 10. So 10 to the 13th power. Therefore, based on this one, this is our A and that's our K. So A equals 3.6 and K is equal to 13.